Welcome to Crafted with Studio, where we embrace nature through craftsmanship. In today's episode titled Embracing Nature, Wood Studio Chronicles, we'll dive into the heart of our wood studio. We'll showcase how we draw inspiration from the natural world to craft stunning pieces that connect our workspace with the beauty outside. The inspiration. There's a magical bond between nature and woodwork. Every grain tells a story, and each piece starts with a vision inspired by the environment. Imagine walking through a serene forest. The rustle of leaves, the aroma of pine, and the glimmer of sunlight filtering through the branches ignite our creativity. Wood is more than just a material. It's a testament to time, growth, and the elements that shape it. We find ourselves captivated by the textures and patterns, leading to unique creations that showcase nature's artistry. In our studio, every project begins with this inspiration, a connection with the world around us. The crafting process. Now that we've set the stage, let's talk about the crafting process. It all starts with selecting the right wood. We prioritize sustainably sourced timber, ensuring that our impact on the environment is minimal. Using reclaimed or responsibly harvested wood not only gives it character but also tells a story of its own. Once we have our wood, we carefully study its features, the knots, the color variations, the grain patterns. Each piece is unique, and we strive to highlight these attributes in our work. It's essential to respect the wood and understand its qualities, as this will guide us in shaping it into something functional and beautiful. Sketching designs to raw cuts, our journey is filled with excitement and challenges. We'll navigate each step, celebrating the craftsmanship and creativity involved in woodworking. Remember, it's not just about creating, it's also about learning. Every error teaches us and transforms our projects into cherished masterpieces. Tools of the trade. As we progress, it's crucial to discuss the tools we use. From handsaws to chisels, our toolkit is designed to work in harmony with the wood's characteristics. Power tools can enhance our efficiency, but we also cherish traditional methods which provide a deeper connection to the craft. Let's take a moment to appreciate the hand tools, each crafted for precision and sensitivity to the wood. Using them brings us closer to the art, amplifying our interactions with the material. When shaping wood, the tactile experience is irreplaceable. We recommend every woodworker develop a balance between modern and traditional tools for the best results. Nature's elements in our work. Now that we've covered the process, let's explore how we infuse elements of nature into our designs. Every piece we create aims to reflect the beauty of its natural origins. Whether it's a dining table that resembles a flowing river or a chair inspired by the contours of a mountain, our goal is to evoke the spirit of the natural world. The colors we choose often mirror those seen in forests and landscapes. Earth tones and hues derived from natural stains allow us to maintain the essence of our materials. When customers take home a piece, they are not just getting furniture, they are welcoming a part of nature into their space. Sustainability practices. As artisans, we feel a responsibility to our planet. Sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. By sourcing materials responsibly, using non-toxic finishes, and minimizing waste, we ensure our impact is positive. We often find ways to repurpose scrap wood into smaller projects, reducing waste and inspiring creativity. You can take part in this journey, too. Whether you're new to woodworking or a seasoned pro, consider how you can incorporate sustainable practices into your projects. Every small change contributes to a healthier planet. One of the most rewarding aspects of our wood studio is the community we've built. We love connecting with fellow woodworkers and nature enthusiasts. Sharing stories and experiences fuels our passion and drives us to push the boundaries of creativity. Goes beyond just showcasing our work. We encourage you to share your projects, ask questions, and participate in discussions. Your insights and experiences enrich our shared love for woodworking and nature. As we wrap up today's journey through embracing nature, with Studio Chronicles, we want to hear from you. What inspires your woodworking projects? Are there elements from nature that you'd like to incorporate into your work? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more woodcraft adventures. Your support helps us grow and bring you more inspiring content. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, every piece of wood holds a story, and every story deserves to be told. Until next time, keep crafting and embracing the beauty of nature.